I don't know why I'm even laughing. I don't know why I'm laughing, but this is my first time of ordering from Temu. Temu. I just got my order, so watch me as I unbox from Temu all these things. Mother sharp, like it's less than 1 week. They told me that I should be expecting it on the 28th or to maybe 28th of April to 10th of May, between 28th to 10th. I'm shocked that they called me today that I should come for my orders. Like they brought it, so I had to go outside the gate to pick it up. So let me unbox. Okay, let me unbox. So from Temu. Okay, yeah. This one. Okay. This one is free. Temu makes sense. So they gave me like 4 free items. Like this one is among the free items. Free. The size is hope it will size me. Wow, it's true. What I ordered for, I had to go for the biggest size because I was scared. But this one is my perfect size. Temu makes sense. Wow, exactly what I ordered for. Exactly what I ordered for. One. Okay. Let me keep unboxing. This one, after ordering, I noticed that it's not. This one is among the free gifts. It's among the. I thought it was non-stick pot, but later I now read it. I discovered that it's amami hobabu. I can't remember what they called it. Hope this one will size me. Wow. I went for the biggest size. Okay, to size me. I thought it was jean. I didn't know that it's this type of material. But I believe to size me. Yeah, it's real. To size me. I went for SSL 2. Okay. I'm Temu, here I come from today na Temu things. Wow, Jesus, this one is big. Hey, I was scared. I was just going for big sizes. I will shape this one 5SL. It's big. I will just shape it small, but it's what I ordered for. I like it. Even the material makes sense. Wow. Then this one is among the free gifts they gave me, and it's so nice. Wow, it's so nice. So one, it's among the free gift they gave me. Hairbands. 2. Wow. 3, 4, 5. It's among the free gifts. Then this one is among the free gifts too. This chain. But it's among the free gifts. The free gifts 4. This one size me. All these ones are again. So wow, it will size me. It will. I'm not telling the okay. Seriously, I don't know why it's big. Jesus, I was scared. But it's better. It's better that it's big than small. I can easily call a Aboki to shape it, but I think it will size me though. But even if it's not, but it's better. It's like I was like, let it be big instead of small, because all this small Sapa can make bill. I will cry, and wow, this one will size me. It will size me for the length, but that will make sense. So the thing will make sense. So let me show you my free gifts from Temu. People are trying. Like I don't know what people are saying, but this is my first time of ordering from Temu, and I tell you that trying. So let me show you my free gifts. This one, then this one, this AirPod 2, and it came with charger. This AirPod came with charger. This is the AirPod. Let me bring it out. See it here. It came with charger. 2. Then all these hairband, 5 of them. 1, 6, 2. How many? Where are the other ones? Okay, see them. Free gifts. And which other one? Okay, this one that I told you that. So Temu, I ordered from you, and no cap, you people did well. And I love my free gift. Hey Temu, from now on, Temu, here I come. So see my Temu order. Me, I love white. Just if you see me, see I love white, and I love my shirt and my polo and my leggings. and my shorts. Though I was thinking that they're jeans, but no wahala. I still like them. And I love this black. Yeah. So guys, I'm done packing these things and I wanted to trash this. I wanted to trash it. And it was heavy. I now opened it. I must see my watch. Oh. Like, see my watch. See my watch. Like, didn't I forgot? You know, this one is free also. It's free. I just remembered. And I wanted to trash this bag. I lifted it up and I saw my watch. I'm happy. I'm not coming to come back at Temu. Like, I don't know what they're saying. I don't know what people are saying about Temu, but this is my first order. I am satisfied. Sila. Clocking. I'm satisfied.